The weather is changing with a cold chill, but who can afford an expensive heating bill? Don't pile on layers to fight the cold. Now you can save money and warm your household. Introducing the Starlyf Fast Heater, the convenient way to heat up an entire area for just pennies a day. It's a powerful space heater that's incredibly small. It keeps you warm all year, through winter, spring and fall. No more messy cables or installations required. Simply plug it in and adjust the thermostat for perfect, comforting heat. Some space heaters are large and bulky, and so heavy the wheels can damage your wooden floor. But the Fast Heater's compact portable design takes up no space and easily moves from room to room, anytime, any place. Use it in your family room. Warm up your kitchen while preparing meals and keep the dining room cozy and comfortable. Now you can warm up the rooms you use the most without heating the whole house. You could save big on your heating bill.
You know, I'm on a fixed income, which means I don't have money to spend to heat up the whole house, unfortunately. But I save so much money with the fast heater. I mean, I can take it from room to room, whatever room I'm in, and it warms up the room so quickly.
Has reduced my heating bills in half.
Saved about $200 a month by heating just the area that I'm in with the fast heater.
Many space heaters are big and bulky and can cost a fortune to run, but the Starlyf Fast Heater's thermoceramic design reduces the size and requires less power, saving you even more money and electricity. It even has an automatic timer, so you can warm up your bedroom at night and set the timer to shut off after a few hours, so it's nice and cool while you're sleeping.
It's a tiny little heater, but it puts out so much power.
I take it to where I drink my coffee in the kitchen. Then if I want to sew, I take it with me. It just goes everywhere with me.
I find the fast heater really makes a difference to me all year. My hands and my feet are permanently warm. It just has made such a difference to my life.
Stop suffering through the cold and bring the heat into those hard-to-reach areas, like your garage workshop. Warm up a drafty office or chilly college room. Keep your caravan nice and cozy all year. It's lightweight and perfect for travel. Keep your family and pets safe and snug all through winter. It's environmentally friendly and much more efficient than traditional central heating systems because you're only heating up the space you're using. Start staying warm and dramatically reduce your energy costs. Go online to get the amazing Starlyf Fast Heater now.